Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious stir-fry pasta dish. So for this, you're going to be needing about 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use peanut oil if you have that, or even sesame oil. And I have 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'll be using this Bangkok peanut sauce, which I purchased from Walmart in the Asian aisle. This is so delicious, guys. I use this in most of my stir-fry dishes. And I'll be using 1/2 pound of whole wheat spaghetti. And I have 1 pound of broccoli stir-fry vegetables. This is a mix of everything. And this is frozen, obviously, but you can use any type of vegetables that you wish. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to start this, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high. And I went ahead and put some water and 1 teaspoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt to this pot. And I'm waiting for that water to boil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and break my spaghetti in half and put it in the water, and I'm going to cook it according to the instruction in the back of the box. Okay guys, I have my pasta cooked and set to the side. Now you want to go ahead and put your pan on the stove. I have my stove set on medium high. Go ahead and add your olive oil to this, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. I'm using a wok. This type of pot is called a wok, but if you don't have a wok, you can use any type of pan that you have. So I want to go ahead and cook my garlic a little bit, make sure they are not burned. Once they start turning a little golden brown, you want to go ahead and add your stir-fried vegetables to this. Just give it a stir. If you guys haven't, please go like my Facebook page. Please share that page with everybody you know. I really would like the page to kind of grow a little more. That's why I post pictures for you guys to check out. And please come follow me on Instagram. Help me grow that page as well. And come snap with me on Snapchat so you can see my daily activities, and that's where you will see my face. And go follow my Twitter page. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much in advance, and thank you guys for helping my YouTube channel grow. I really appreciate the love and support I get from you guys. So you want to go ahead and make sure you cook this all the way through almost. Make sure it's all heated. This is an easy, I guess you could call it vegan or vegetarian dish. When I feel like eating a meatless meal, this is what I usually make. So if you guys don't feel like eating meat, this is a great recipe for you guys to do. I keep stirring it because I don't want it to get burned or get stuck on the bottom of my pan at all. So cook this for a good minute to 2. Okay, now you want to go ahead and take your drained spaghetti. And now you want to mix that in there. This is nice and easy, but yet delicious. You guys saw me make this on my Snapchat. And a lot of you guys requested that I made a video of it. So, as always, you guys know you asked and I made. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my peanut sauce. I don't really measure the sauce when I add it, so I just add as much or as little as you like. I really like a lot of that sauce in there because they have a little heat to it. You have to make sure you are stirring really, really fast. And now you want to go ahead and add your soy sauce. And stir. And your dinner or lunch is pretty much done. This is all there is to it. Quick and easy stir fry. So let this cook for a minute or two, but you want to continue stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. Of course you want to taste for salt, but I don't need salt because the soy sauce and the peanut sauce have plenty of salt to me, but if you want, you can definitely add some salt to your own liking. Okay guys, this is pretty much it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plate this so I can show you guys how I add that sesame seed to my plate. You wanna make sure you don't have a messy plate. Add some broccoli to this. And just take your sesame seeds and put it on top. Of course, you want to make sure you clean your plate, which I will be doing. And this is pretty much it. This will do it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please guys share these videos so we can continue to grow this channel. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.